How to buy BT on BIP token. So this token came under the symbol of BT. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 10 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. And also this token trended number 6 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy token address and open it from smart portal. As you can see, after that, click here on swap. Now, make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now, click here and paste token address into search bar. Now, as you can see, this also can click on it. And here you can type how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive. After that, click here on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy BT token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.